Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner series. This is a video number 11. So let's see, in this video we will learn conditional formatting highlights rules for beginners. So let's start. So conditional formatting allows you to automatically change the look of your cells based on your value inside them. So let's start it. So simply select your cell. So here I select the salary column. Then go to the home tab. In styles group have a conditional formatting. Just click on this drop down arrow and the first option is highlight cells rules. You can highlight greater than value, less than, between, equal to, text that contains and a date occurring duplicate values. Okay, so I just click on the greater than and here you can see dialog box is open greater than. So you can see the dialog box is open greater than. Format cells that are greater than. So I just enter here the amount greater than 45,000. Okay, when you enter here you can see in your data is amount is highlighted greater than 45,000. With this you can select the color of highlights. So here different types of color available, yellow and light red feel, and here the red text also available options. So I select here the yellow field and click on OK, and that's it. Here again I select the salary column, and to clear this rule just go to the again home tab. In styles click on the conditional formatting and click on the clear rule, and clear rule from selected cell just click on the first one and your rule is clear. So let's see to highlight duplicates values. So here again select here the salary column and go to the conditional formatting and click on the highlight cells rule. Then select here the duplicate value and here you can see duplicate value dialog box is open, and you can check the preview in your data. In selected data the duplicate value only is highlighted. Okay, you can change here the color also. Just click on this drop down arrow and you can select here the different color and click on OK, and that's it. To clear the rule, again click on the conditional formatting and click on the clear rule from selected cell. Okay, and again I select here the column and click on the conditional formatting. Now I'm going to highlight unique value. So I again same as click on the highlight cell rule and click on the duplicate value. The same dialog box is open. Now I click on this drop down arrow and click on the unique with the color. I select here the different color and that's it, and click on OK, that's it. You can see only the unique value is highlighted and the duplicate value is not highlighted. Okay, now again select your column and go to the conditional formatting, and there is a second option top bottom rules. So you can top 10 item, top 10 percentage, bottom 10 item, and etc. So I just select the top 10 item and here the one dialog box is open. So you can enter here top 2, top 3. So I just enter top 3 and with highlight with the color you can select also. I just click on the green field with the dark green text and just click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see same as if you want to remove this rule, select the column and again go to the conditional and click on the clear rule from selected cell. And the third option, again I select the same column and go to the conditional formatting and click on the data bars. You can see the gradient fields available. You can see the preview in your data when you keep cursor on this second data bar gradient field. Okay, so this is a way you can add the data bar also in your data. Okay, just click on it and it added. Again to clear the rule just click on the conditional, click on the clear and click on the clear rule selected cell. Again I select the same column and go to the conditional formatting and select here the color scales. Okay, here you can see different types of color is available. Okay, just keep cursor and you can see the changes in your data and just click on it to apply your color scale. I select the entire column, click on the conditional formatting and click on the icon sets option. You can see different types of icon is available: directional icon, shapes icon, indicators, rating. So you just select those you want. Okay, so I just select here the shapes. So I select this one and here you see your icon is added in salary. And here you can manage your rule also. Just click on the conditional formatting and click on the manage rule option, and you can see the conditional formatting rules manager is open. Okay, applied rule list here you can check. Okay, If you want to delete rule, just click on the delete option. If you want to edit, you can edit here. Duplicate the rule, you can just click on the duplicate option and you can duplicate the rule same. And that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.